Pioneer MVHS-600BS double-DIN digital media receiver with enhanced audio functions, improved Pioneer ARC app compatibility, MIXTRAX, built-in Bluetooth, and SiriusXM ready. About the product: MVHS-600BS, Pioneer N-2-DIN digital media receiver with Bluetooth, Pandora, and Spotify control. Digital media receiver with AM/FM tuner, does not play CDs. Built-in MOSFET amplifier, 14 watts RMS CEA-2006 50 peak x4 channels. Built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. Plays MP3, WMA, AAC, FLAC, and WAV music files. Product details. Product dimensions: 9 by 6 by 8 inches, 2.3 pounds. Shipping weight: 2.3 pounds. Domestic shipping: item can be shipped within US. International shipping: this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the US. B074Y9GKHP. UPC, 884,938,369,329. Item model number: MVHS-600BS. Average customer review: 5/4. Amazon bestsellers rank, number 930 in electronics. Manufacturer's warranty can be requested from customer service. Legal disclaimer: this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. To purchase this product, link in the description.